Welcome back, and today, I'll be sharing with you a technique to add blank rows between each unique item in your data. This is particularly useful when working with large datasets to enhance the readability of the data. Let's dive in. To begin, ensure that the column containing your unique items is sorted in either ascending or descending order. Select the range of cells containing your unique data and copy them to a new sheet. Once you've done that, you can remove duplicates using the Direct Remove Duplicate option in the Data tab or the Unique function if you have Office 365. If you don't have access to the Unique function, you can download a free add-in by following the link in the description. Once you've removed duplicates, copy the remaining unique data and paste it back into the same column, below the last row, and sort the column again. Next, you can filter only the blank rows from any other column. Then, delete the cell content which we have copied before, and clear filter. Congratulations! You've successfully added blank rows between each unique items in your data. This will greatly improve the readability of your dataset and make it easier to analyze. Stay tuned for more Excel tips and tricks.